On July 20th, 2022, Metrolink put into service a refurbished passenger train car 110, featuring new and improved passenger amenities designed for a more enjoyable, productive, and safe ride. The car is the first of 50 slated for renovation. We are thrilled to begin the rollout of our renovated train cars with upgrades and enhanced passengers' travel experiences into our system, Metrolink CEO Darren Kettle said. The new train cars have a contemporary interior, charging ports at each seat, and a number of enhancements providing passengers with a safer and more comfortable ride with elevated amenities. In this video, we see 3 Metrolink cars passing through New Mexico on April 22, 2022, on the way to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where Talgo will refurbish them. On May 30, 2022, 2 cars passed through Bernalillo, New Mexico, on the westbound Amtrak Southwest Chief after they had been refurbished. One of these cars is a 110.
It's looking like that. Over.
Copy. Okay, this is track 158, 98, 58, 98 to Amtrak, MTK 170, 170 EAST. Got a box 2, TWO, proceed from restricted limits Albuquerque to CP on main 2, TWO, 1 box mark 2, over.
Okay, it's repeated track 158, 98, 58, 98 to the Amtrak MTK 170, 170 East EST, Exxon box 2, TWO, proceed from restrict limits Albuquerque to control point Han on main 2, TWO track 1 box mark 2, over.
Track 158, 98 to Amtrak 170 East is okay at 1141, 1141 KKE, over.
Okay, track 158, 98 to the Amtrak 170 East is okay at 1141, 1141. Dispatcher KKE, over.
That is correct. Let me know when you're ready for the second one, over.
Metrolink has a total of 121 passenger cars that were originally built by Bombardier between 1992 and 2002. While all train cars undergo regular daily maintenance, some of the older cars were in need of a midlife makeover to improve their reliability and extend their useful life. The order to rebuild 50 of the 121 Bombardier train cars was placed with Spanish train maker Talgo Incorporated in a joint venture with Paris-based engineer and consulting firm Systra in June 2019. The cars are being refurbished at Talgo's Milwaukee facility. Metrolink expects to have 17 refurbished cars in service by the end of 2022, and all 50 cars should be available by early 2024. Interior photos of Metrolink 110 were provided by Jonathan Camacho. His YouTube channel is listed below. Enhancements include features that will make the train cars easier to clean, such as vinyl seating and non-carpeted flooring, as well as enhanced air filtration and UV lighting for bacteria, air pollutant, and virus protection. Passengers will appreciate the new energy-efficient lighting and bathrooms with a modern look and better odor control. For enhanced safety, the refurbished cars have side door obstacle detection, 3 emergency intercom buttons on every car, and emergency fresh air ventilation in case of power loss. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.